In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Superscript in Canva. If you've ever needed to make text look a little more polished, like adding a small raised number for an exponent, a footnote, or a trademark style character, Superscript is exactly what you need. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple once you know the shortcut. To get started, open your design in Canva. This can be any design where you already have text added or one you're currently editing. Make sure you're on the page and in the text box where you want the superscript to appear. It helps to click directly into the text so Canva knows exactly what you want to edit. Next, highlight the specific letters or numbers you want to change inside your text box. This part is important because you only want to select the characters that should appear smaller and raised above the rest of the line. For example, if you're writing something like x squared, you would only highlight the 2, not the entire word or equation. Taking a second to select just the right characters will help the formatting look clean and intentional. If you're using Windows, once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl and the period key at the same time. That keyboard shortcut will apply the superscript formatting to the selected text. You should immediately see the letters or numbers shift upward and appear smaller than the surrounding text. If you're on a Mac, the process is almost identical. Highlight the text you want to change, then press Command and the period key together. Just like on Windows, Canva will convert that selected text into Superscript. And that's it. Once you use the shortcut, your selected text should now appear in Superscript format. A quick tip while you're doing this, make sure you're editing inside the text box and that the exact characters are highlighted before using the shortcut. If nothing happens, simply click back into the text, reselect the characters, and try again. This small formatting feature can make a big difference when you're working on educational content, scientific notation, citations, or any design that needs precise text styling. Now you know how to do Superscript in Canva quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.